Hello, this is John Windust. This is my Quiz 2 overview. Let's get into it. So the first question is, we need to create a program to find the sum of all even integers from 140 to 580 inclusive. I did this with a for loop starting at 140, going to 581 in a two-step. And then a sum accumulator as it goes along to add up all the sums. I checked this by just taking a smaller version or smaller amount of numbers. I took the first 10 numbers and added those up, and then just checked them on my calculator, and here it is running. Boom. So line, the even integer sum, it's the ongoing sum, it equals this. Okay, that's question 1. Here's question 2. Question 2, we're using a for loop with an input statement inside of the for loop. So we were given 4 values to basically prompt the user to enter. I'll go ahead and enter those. 7, 35, 221, 7, 6, 5, 4, 0.3. Boom. The sum of your inputs squared is blah, blah. Okay, so what this is a for loop with a range of 4 because of 4 numbers, with a sum accumulator inside that's also squaring the number before you sum it. Not anything too crazy. Okay. Now question number 3. Oh, real quick, I used this line right here just to check it. If we run it without those hash marks, 7, it just shows the ongoing sum. 7, 6, 5, 4.3. As you can see, it just shows the ongoing sum from line to line. Let me put that back in. Okay. Now question 3. Question 3 had 2 options. We could have done an n times a negative 1. That would flip the sign back and forth for 40 terms. I decided to just create 2 different for loops with a step 4, and so basically I can have 20 integers with a step 4 that will be one for loop, and then 20 integers with a step 4 that are all the negatives. That'll be a for loop. Sum accumulator at the bottom of each one, add them together at the bottom, round it, and so this is 2020. That's all 40 terms. Boom. And here you go. The sum of this rotating little pattern for 40 terms is 0.7791. And just real quick to just show you how to kind of check it, you can just do a print inside of the sum accumulator. And even if you just look, okay, so line 1, this is going to be 1 over 1. That's 1. 1 over 5. That's going to be 0.2. 1.2 because you're adding the line before. Okay, so that's right. Same thing with down here. It follows the exact same pattern. These are all the negatives. Boom. Sum of this. 40 terms total. 20, 40. That's going to equal this positive number. And this makes sense too because the biggest number in here is 1, which is positive. So we would expect this to be close to 1 and positive. Okay, thank you very much. This was my umpteenth attempt at a video. I think that this was a good one, and have a good day. Bye.